Unlocking the digital classroom. Understanding online mode. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English language lesson. In this video, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, online mode. With the world getting more digital, it's essential to understand such terms that often pop up in various contexts. So, let's dive in and explore what online mode really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Online mode refers to a state of connectivity where services, operations, or tasks are performed over the internet. When something is said to be in online mode, it typically means that it's accessible through the web and can be used or engaged with remotely. This can apply to a wide range of activities, from attending classes to banking. Let's look at some examples to understand how online mode can be used. Education. When students attend classes through a digital platform like Zoom or Google Classroom, they are learning in online mode. Work. Many people work from home by connecting to their office network over the internet, which is also referred to as working in online mode. Gaming. Players who compete or collaborate with others over the internet are gaming in online mode. In today's digital age, being proficient in online mode is crucial. It allows for flexibility and accessibility in many aspects of life. For learners of English or any other subject, online mode creates opportunities to study from anywhere, at any time, which can be especially beneficial for personal growth and education. Now, let's learn how to use this phrase in a sentence. The school has shifted to online mode due to the snowstorm. I prefer shopping in online mode because it saves time. Our team is always available in online mode to support our clients. By using online mode in different contexts, you can effectively communicate about activities and services that are done over the internet. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, online mode, and its usage. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to learn new things, understanding terms like this is part of the exciting journey of English language learning. Remember, the digital world is at your fingertips when you're in online mode. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.